Ready to learn the 7 super safe steps? Let's go! Tip 1. Drop, cover, and hold on. Good job! Tip 2. Stay away from windows. Perfect! Tip 3. Turn off gas valves. Nice work! Tip 4. Move to an open area. All clear. Tip 5. Use a helmet or cushion. Great job!
Tip 6. Keep a whistle or phone handy.
Stay ready. Tip 7. Stay calm and breathe.